Okay, it is Saturday, May 20th, 2023. I just happened to look out the window and we have a few large javelina sleeping up here by the house. That's my front porch right there. There's a big one and he's really dug a nice hole for himself. Look at this hole he dug. He's just covered with dirt. And then let me just move over here and I'll show you a couple more that I can see. So there's one right there. And then underneath this other bush, there's one right there. And right now, I think it's in the 90s outside, so they're panting. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can tell he's panting, but anyway. So 1, 2, 3 that I can see. Doesn't he look relaxed and comfortable? Anyway, thought you'd like to see that. Here's one that's out eating leaves off the ground. I was gonna step out in my driveway a little further and try to get the ones up against the house, but I'm not gonna do that now that this guy is here. He's just snacking. Okay, that one's still there next to the house. He's moving. Okay, this one is still right here, but the one that was under the bush right there, that's going to be the one that is out there eating. Anyway, nice to have him visit. Okay. This one's still laying here. This one is still eating over here. And across the way, if you look right behind that white pipe, that's the back end of one that's going down the trail into the wash between our house and Keith and Petra's house. I don't know what he's doing just standing there, but not the most flattering view. Oh, here goes the other one. So they're leaving. Let's look at the one down here. Nope, this guy's still asleep. Love the zoom on this camera. So they're over there. This one will wake up and leave soon. They might go around behind the casita and get some water. Maybe the trail cam will catch them. Anyway, thought you might enjoy that. Okay, I just wanted to add a little context to this story. So the javelina are over here sleeping underneath that first window right there in this area here. As you can see, we're just looking at my house from my driveway. There's my new garage and casita. And then the white post I showed you where they were standing is right here. There's that little light post where they were standing. And I'm going to just walk you down and show you how they got back to the water bowl. So we just come down here. This is the wash between my neighbors Peter and Keith and me. We come down here. And I've made a trail, that can go all the way around. Not necessarily for the animals, but just so I can get out here and do maintenance and things. This is what it looks like to look up to my driveway here, from down here. And we just keep coming around. And then we come to the north side of my casita here. And we come along this north wall And voila, we come around the corner and we're in my backyard behind the casita, and there is the almighty water bowl right there. Anyway, I just thought it might make more sense if you were to see that and know it. The three amigos went around the house, two behind the casita, and they're drinking. Not sure what that guy's doing. He's got his front legs in. Everybody else is waiting. Oh. I think he wants to get all the way in. As it turns out, I had it right. This Javelina is behaving kind of strangely and not allowing his buddies to get to the water bowl. One of them gets kind of tired of waiting and just lays down. There he goes. And you can see this guy's gears turning in his little Javelina brain. He gets out of the water for just a minute and he's like thinking, okay, how do I get under this? No, that's not working. So he'll put his feet back in. Yep, there he goes. And he's turning and thinking and just totally trying to figure out how he can make this happen. He wants to get in there, but he's just too big. Just wait a few more seconds and you'll understand what happens. Not sure why the trail camera didn't capture this Javelina sitting in the bowl, but you can obviously see that's what he did. It was a good call on his part to get a drink before he took his bath.